Okay, so this video is about tuples, which is, I'll be honest, not our most exciting topic, but still something you should know about. Basically, I have a menu, so I'm back to the smoothie theme from last week. So I have a menu item tuple, and this is how you create a tuple. It's kind of like a list, but you use parentheses. You don't use the square brackets like you do with a list. So I have Blueberry Bliss smoothie, 340 calories, 1 gram of protein. There you go. There's your tuple. The thing with the tuple is it's immutable, meaning it cannot be changed. Okay, its size and its contents are basically set in stone, so they're not versatile at all. And but there it is. There's your tuple. I'll print it out. There's the data. Just some techniques we can do is you can like kind of reach into the tuple and get the items out one at a time and put them into variables like this. So look at this. I have the name, the calories, and the protein equals, and then the tuple on the right side. And so that's going to put all three data items into their respective variables, and so we can isolate the pieces of the tuple with code like this. Okay. Now here, just to prove a point, you cannot make a change to that tuple. As I said, it's set in stone. So if I want to try to change Blueberry Bliss to Strawberry Bliss, watch what happens. Get an error. Okay. You know, I teach database in addition to programming, and we see that word in database a lot. Tuple represents like a row of data in a table, really. So you see that word a lot in various, areas of computing, computer science, and whatnot. Also, tuples are used behind the scenes in Python. So I don't want you to just be like, oh, I can't use this, and just brush it off. Just know that word, know what it is. It's an immutable row of data, basically. And just as an example, last week probably, we looked at a program where we were sorting parallel arrays. And what I did is I zipped up all of the the code looks weird, it's not color coded, but I zipped up all of the 3 parallel arrays and then sorted into like this package called all 3, and I sorted that package. And basically I had to unzip it in order to get it back to parallel array format that I could work with. But when that was all zipped up, that all 3 package, they're zipped up as tuples. So tuples are used like behind the scenes, almost as these like intermediary objects when you're like, dealing with lists, zipping them up, doing things like that. So like when you're converting a list and like, kind of changing lists, like in, converting them and zipping them, unzipping them and that type of thing, then there probably are tuples being used behind the scenes.